Welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Today we are at day 6 of 111 days verification challenge. The skill set we are focusing on right now is digital electronics. The topic chosen for today is FSM. FSM stands for finite state machines. You need to go through the topic FSM in detail and then answer these questions. In case you are not able to answer any of the questions, you can search it online and then answer the question. The main thing is you should not only answer the questions, you should understand each and every concept and create your own notes. Let's see what are the questions today. The first question is, what is finite state machine? What are different types of FSM? Second question is the difference between Murray and Mealy machine. Next is, what are applications and limitations of an FSM? In FSM, you can get certain exceptions or error states. How are you going to handle them? The next is certain concepts in FSM which you need to explain. First is trigger. What is the meaning of trigger? Transition, state diagram, what is superstate, what are guard conditions, what is a deadlock, determinism, epsilon transitions. These are the questions for today. Please solve these questions and tomorrow I'll see you for day 7 challenge. Thank you.